Good evening, everybody. Welcome to SA Sports News. Today we are in a better mood. We are in a good mood. Bafana Bafana is winning, and Bafana Bafana is leading. The boys are leading. I'm telling you. They just got 2 goals and we are playing with Namibia. Firstly, we'd like to thank Drekas Duplessis. He won the UFC champion. Thanks to him, Bafana Bafana felt motivated and they are doing great things tonight, guys. Firstly, it was Pesitao who scored the penalty. He did very well. Thank you, Pesitao. We're bashing you last week for missing the penalty. Now you've done well. And Tau Zwane just scored another goal. We are definitely taking the cup. If Bafana Bafana can score more 2 goals or more 3 goals, we'll be cruising nicely. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.